Today's video is brought to you by Oxido LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxido LED lighting, and here is some after Oxido LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxido LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video. Welcome back to another episode of 612 Motorsports. In today's episode, we're working on the 2002 Chevy S-10 Extreme. And today's little project, well, it's something that they should have came with from the factory. It's something that gets in the way all the time. And if you have ever worked under the hood of an S-10 or a Blazer or basically any kind of 90s Chevy product, you're going to know what I'm talking about. But before we get into today's video, go ahead, hit that subscription button, the notification bell, leave a comment, a thumbs up, all that stuff. It's super helpful and it's very greatly appreciated. Honestly, it means a lot. So go over and make sure you click and hit all those buttons and whatnot. So I do appreciate it. Now, today we're talking about the hood. Now, let's take a look at what I'm talking about. This ugly prop rod. Now some of you might fully understand just from this visual how this can be a problem when you're trying to work around things, getting into areas that it just makes it a little complicated. You're hitting your head up here, you're bumping this, you're afraid this is gonna pop off. The dumb little plastic clips that hold the prop rod in place when not in use, they get dry and brittle, break, they're gone half the time, so the rod's flopping around in there. Just kind of an overall pain in the butt. So, today's fix. So to fix that little problem, we're gonna be using Redline Tuning's Hood Quick Lift Strut System. It comes with everything you're gonna need. It comes with the struts. It comes with the bracketry. It comes with the pop rivets that you're gonna need. And it does come with a very well colored, illustrated instruction manual. Pretty straightforward, so we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. Well, so far it's been a pretty easy install. The bracketry is very nice. What I really like about it is that it's black and it blends in nice, like it was there from the factory. We're gonna go ahead and install those struts, get rid of that ugly bar, and this little project will be done. If you guys have, a vehicle with the prop rod, it doesn't have to be an S-10 or even a Chevy for that matter. This is not a sponsored video, but go ahead and check out Redline Hood Prop Systems. They are amazing. So shout out to those guys. I really enjoy your product, and that's going to wrap things up for us here today. I hope you enjoyed. As always, stay positive, work hard, and make it happen.